Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a maintenance request as a property manager or landlord. From your dashboard, you're going to go over to the maintenance tab on the left side menu and simply select Add Request. From here, you're going to have the option to select a basic request, which is going to walk you through a quick flow, or you can select Advanced Request to have more options when creating the maintenance ticket. For this video, we're just going to go through the basic request and click Get Started. From here, simply select the issue that you are experiencing. And from here, you have the option to upload a photo or file or a 15-second video showing the issue. Next, simply click Next. From here, you can add in any additional important details. We're going to go ahead and select Continue. From here, we'll select the property that this is associated with, as well as the unit that it is associated with. From here, we can select the priority. If it is low, normal, high, or critical, we'll just say that it is a normal priority and select Create Request. Congratulations, you have created a maintenance ticket, and now you have the option to assign it to a service provider or to an internal team member. If you have team members associated with your account, such as a maintenance technician or maintenance manager, or you can also find a service provider if you do not have a service provider yet, and you can request bids from service providers to fulfill this maintenance request. Alternatively, you can select X, or you can go back to the list. We're just going to X out and review the maintenance ticket that we created. And from here, you have the option to add in more granular detail associated with this ticket. And that is how easy it is to create a maintenance ticket on TenantCloud. You can get started by going to TenantCloud.com and click Sign Up and start your free trial today.